Hi guys! Today's episode is dedicated to the fantastic Fairmont Doha, located in the iconic Qatara Towers, an architectural symbol of Doha, designed to resemble two intersecting yet elegant traditional Middle Eastern swords. One of the towers houses the 6-star Raffles Doha, which I've already reviewed on my channel, but today we'll take a closer look at Fairmont Doha. The exquisite lobby design is inspired by Qatar's ancient tradition of pearl diving. The cozy lounge areas remind me the shape of seashells or even a bird nest. In the center stands the world's tallest chandelier, officially recognized by the Guinness World Records. It features 4,700 shimmering pearl-like lights. Very beautiful tea room where signature teas and exquisite desserts are served. The hotel features a total of 306,002 rooms and suites, with the design inspired by luxurious white yachts. Elevator call via a special panel.
And they have such chairs and the lifts.
Subscribe to the channel for more hotel reviews from Qatar and beyond.
Amazing one-bedroom suite with the panoramic views. Living area, warm zone. Everything controlled by smart system. Wow, great! Like coffee machine.
The exquisite bedroom features a headboard which looks like an pearl oyster shell. Silk pillows and luxurious bedding with golden trim add to the elegance. Wooden dressing room with such stylish leather accessories.
Nice box for hair dryer. Everything is leather. This is for prayer mat. Beach bag, slippers, flip-flops and yoga mat are provided. Look at this, the vault is on the doors holders.
Amazing bathroom with a white onyx, great lighting, and golden details are everywhere, golden mosaic. Smart toilet, Japanese system. Reliable bus amenities. Find the best deals for this hotel through the links in the description below this video. Amazing view, something extraordinary. Wow! For the most discerning guests, there is a Fairmont Gold, an exclusive club concert hotel within a hotel offering personalized service, a dedicated pool, a private lounge and butler services. A modern Indian cuisine restaurant recognized in the Michelin guide. The restaurant and bar on the 33rd floor absolutely captivated me. The space is filled with air and light, featuring an open kitchen, a Japanese chef. Inspired by Game of Thrones, it beautifully combines elements of ice and fire. Breathtaking panoramic views of Doha, offering stunning vistas of both the sea and the city from every angle. How do you like this hotel?